Welcome to our best channel Products Square Online. Product details: name. Kopack Laptop Backpack Men Women USB Port Slim Business Computer Backpack Anti-Theft Water Resistant Travel Laptop Bag Lightweight 15.6 inch Dark Gray. Product features: 1. Anti-Theft Hidden Laptop Zone. Want to keep private when pick laptop in public? Separated laptop compartment behind straps designed for you. Get laptop easily and key pressed in private. Zipper can be locked to D-shape ring with your lock to keep laptop privacy. Lock not included. 2. Super Organizer Bag. If you want a bag always matches your business casual look, get a decent slim bag. Commuter Day Pack with 17 slots offers you a fantastic experience. Say goodbye to dig around in bag, every gadgets will be organized. Size, 17.7 by 11.8 by 4.3 inches, laptop slot, 14.9 by 9.4 inches, measure your PC to judge if fit, holds 15.6 inches thin laptop. 3. Detachable USB cable. Built-in severe quality controlled USB charging port. Easy to charge smartphone without hassle to take out your power bank. Better for cleaning backpack, won't get USB rotted, replacing the cable by removing the built-in cable. Power bank not included. 4. Anti-theft dual layer zipper. The anti-puncture 4-tooth zipper of the main compartment provides double anti-theft protection with lockable zipper provides super travel safety to you. Perfect for business trip, weekend getaway or heading to the office/school/home. 5. Quality material. Upgraded fabric with excellent texture, featured with durable tear-resistant water-resistant Oxford for unexpected rain, wipe in 5 minutes, no mark left. High elasticity sponge padded shoulder straps.